And so you must understand that Dr. Wise is not at all worried about, what people ask him about all the time, such as becoming obsolete, a wires doctor in a wireless world, behind the times, a little bit left over. No. Dr. Wise does not worry about this in the least, because, you see, there will always be connections, and there will always be difficulty with connections, and ultimately, who in the world is going to worry about these things, these connections, these imperfect leftovers of a different desire? The desire is not to have wires, the desire is to be connected. And yet all technologies, whether it's electronic technology or a physical technology or a biological technology, all these kinds of technologies need connection. And you see, it's the connection that's the dodgy part. It's the bit that may not work in a minute or two. One that after a while just kind of gets tired and brittle and realizes that it may be a point at which it's okay to relax a bit too much. Okay to just become a little more, there's no less brutal way of putting it, a little less connected. So, in the end, Dr. Wise is not worried in the least. Dr. Wise has a very long life ahead of him, and amongst all of the technologies that are involved in being connected, whether they be physical connections or electrical connections or emotional connections, or indeed the connections that come over time as we realize that we don't really know who we are unless we're connected. And connected means wires, and wires means Dr. Wise. Dr. Wise will always be with you. Dr. Wise is ready when you are to be ever connected.